looking for love can sometimes lead to nightmare. Audition, a 1999 Japanese horror, begins with a simple dating experiment, but the truth behind her smile hides unimaginable terror. A film that will haunt your mind long after the credits roll. Dare to watch Audition this Halloween.